Click on the link below to get price. The 18,000W Portable Vertical Wind Turbine Generator Kit, featuring a 3-blade helix design, presents itself as an innovative solution for those interested in harnessing wind energy. This product is designed for both residential and small-scale industrial applications, with the aim of generating electricity in a sustainable manner. At first glance, the standout feature of this wind turbine is its vertical design. Unlike traditional horizontal axis wind turbines, which can be limited by wind direction, the vertical axis design allows for more versatility in varying wind conditions. This feature may appeal to users who are looking for a wind energy solution that can operate efficiently even in turbulent or changing wind patterns. The 3-blade helix design not only contributes to its aesthetic appeal but is also engineered to optimize energy capture, potentially enhancing overall efficiency. In terms of specifications, the 18,000W capacity suggests that this wind turbine can produce a significant amount of energy, making it suitable for larger applications or multiple smaller devices. The build quality appears robust, which is essential for outdoor installations where the equipment will be exposed to the elements. It is also noteworthy that the turbine is designed to be portable, which may be an appealing factor for users who require flexibility in their energy sources. Setting up the turbine kit may require some initial investment in terms of time and effort, but the manufacturers provide instructions that are intended to guide users through the installation process. It is important for users to consider their specific location and local wind patterns to maximize the turbine's effectiveness. Additionally, users may want to familiarize themselves with any necessary permits or regulations in their area related to the installation of wind turbines. In conclusion, the 18,000W Portable Vertical Wind Turbine Generator Kit stands out for its unique design and potential energy production capabilities. It offers a sustainable option for those looking to explore renewable energy solutions. While the initial setup may require careful consideration and planning, the benefits of generating clean energy can be rewarding, aligning with the goals of environmentally conscious individuals and communities.